How y'all doing today? This is Chase Bruner. I'm gonna show y'all a picture right here, a video of me changing my fuel valve switch on my 1982 Honda XL500. And this switch hasn't been turning on and off for me all the way, so I went ahead and opened up the gas cap and let the fuel line off, took the fuel line off the fuel filter and drained it into here. It wasn't that hard. I already loosened this up for me, so I'm going to go ahead and take this off. I couldn't find this in no parts store anywhere around here. This thing kept leaking like crazy on me. So here's the new one right here. Brand new off of eBay. This part was only like $10, free shipping. And now we're gonna see how good it works. Oh yeah, brand new. Come on now, get in there. Yeah, get up in there. Dang, you don't wanna go right. Okay, let's see. This thing's acting like it don't want to go all the way in there. Alright, this one, my original one don't look like it had all that onto it. They put this one on here. Mine only has that one, like this. I just don't want to go up in there. I'll use it if I could put it all up in there. Oh, because it's a fuel screen. That's all it does. Screen to go on it. Let's see. Oh, it's going. Oh, it's hidden something inside the tank. I bet you, right up here. I bet you it is. Alright, well, I guess I can't use that filter. I should be able to, though. Yeah, it don't look like it. Oh, now this works perfect. There we go. Alright, I just gotta tighten it up a little bit more. There we go. That's it. That's a wrap. Now I just need to put on the fuel filter and the fuel line, and that's all done. Put my gas back in. Thank y'all so much. If y'all like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos.